Welcome to Supercheap Auto Trade. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a company team and add authorized users. An authorized user is anyone you nominate from your business, like a team member, apprentice, or store manager across different sites, who can make purchases on individual accounts, which are linked together as a company team. All purchases from authorized users are tracked under the main company team account. So every purchase is visible and contributes to your overall yearly spend, unlocking additional discounts faster. Head to My Account and select Company Team. Once you add an authorized user, you will become the company team owner. Click Invite a Team Member and fill in the team member's email address. If you have 30-day credit before sending the invite, you can choose if the user can spend or view your company 30-day credit online. But don't worry, you can change your mind and toggle 30-day credit on and off in real time. Your new authorized user will receive an email invitation. They'll just need to follow the links to activate their access. Their email address is used for their login and they'll have their own account ID. The company team owner, that's you, will also receive an email notification that an invite has been sent for additional security. Once confirmed, the team member can begin to use the account right away. You can add, edit, or remove authorized users at any time in the company team section on the Trade website. So when staff change or roles update, your account stays secure and up to date. Setting up authorized users keeps your business running smoothly and ensures every purchase is properly tracked to your trade account. Whatever you trade, make it super.